What's the meaning of artfully? Artfully. Artfully.
Artfully. Artfully. The word artfully can be used to mean skillfully or cleverly, particularly in regards to creative endeavors. When something is done artfully, it is done with a high level of skill and expertise, often resulting in a beautiful or impressive outcome. It may also refer to a subtle or crafty approach to problem-solving or communication. Overall, artfully suggests a combination of technical proficiency and creative finesse, leading to a result that is both aesthetically pleasing and intellectually engaging.